How to create business paper on Word app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create business paper on Word, easy and fast. So first thing, go to Word app. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on this plus icon right here. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now go down and search for business paper, and here is it, as you can see right here. Now choose where you want to create it first, in your email or your device, or you can select different location. I'm gonna choose my email and click on the business paper like this. And now as you can see, I can edit the text and change whatever you want, and after you finish just click save right here. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.